Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the timeless beauty and rugged performance of the 1970 Cadillac Escalade Pickup. A perfect blend of luxury and utility, this classic ride stands out as a rare gem in the automotive world. It's not every day you come across a pickup that carries the elegance of Cadillac with the robust capability of a utility vehicle. The 1970 Escalade Pickup is a reimagined concept that combines vintage charm with modern appreciation. With its bold grille, sleek body lines, and iconic Cadillac styling, it demands attention on the road. Under the hood, you'll find a powerhouse that delivers not just performance but also durability, making it an ideal choice for both work and leisure. Step inside, and you're greeted by a plush interior that screams luxury. From premium leather seats to wood grain accents, the attention to detail is unmatched. Cadillac didn't hold back when it came to comfort and sophistication, even in a vehicle designed for heavy-duty use. This is what makes the 1970 Escalade Pickup truly unique. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. Whether you're a collector, a car enthusiast, or someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the Escalade Pickup from 1970 offers something special. It's a reminder of a time when vehicles were built with both style and substance in mind. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to drive a piece of history, this is your chance. Thanks for tuning in to explore this classic with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing auto trends. Let us know in the comments what you think about this stunning Cadillac Escalade Pickup from 1970. See you in the next video.